girl on the bicycle and boy on the bicycle. First, remember, if girl on the bicycle, girl's gonna go riding up and down the hill, while the passenger is the left hand. Follow the motion of your right hand, but don't play exactly the same as right hand. You just follow the first note C and the fifth note G, which is the tonic and the dominant. Right hand, girl on the bicycle, start from high C, left hand on bass C. We're gonna start from C on the first note and the fifth note together. Ready, set, go. C, go up, to G, go down, to C, go up, to G, go down, to C, go up, to G, go down. Now C, E top, B, E, C. Riding up and down the hill, I know I will not take a spill. I zoom around my neighborhood each day when school is done. Boy on the bicycle, the other way around, left hand is riding the bike, the passenger is right hand. You follow the tonic C and the dominant fifth. Ready, set, go. C, go up, to G, go down, and C, go up, to G, go down, and C, go up, to G, go down. Now skipping C,